Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about my 5 motif Van Cleef and Arpels bracelet that I purchased I think back in 2019. I wanted to record a detailed review of this item and I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef and Arpels, Bvlgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. This bracelet was actually the first jewelry item that I discovered at Van Cleef and Arpels for myself. I remember how I purchased it. I actually randomly walked into the store and I decided to try on some items. And this bracelet was actually the first jewelry item that I decided to try on. And the moment I saw it, I just fell in love with it. I absolutely love this combination of yellow gold and white mother of pearl. And I have to say, I don't typically buy items on a whim. I usually take some time to think through. But this was one of those rare occasions when I just had to have it on the spot. I just loved the way it looks with my Cartier Love bracelet. It's so beautiful and so special. I paired my Cartier bangle with so many different bracelets from other brands, but I still feel like 5 motif Van Cleef and Arpels bracelet is the prettiest. And I absolutely love the way it looks with my watch. I also like the fact that it's quite light and very comfortable to wear. It is also gorgeous in other stones. I just love looking at it. It's so stunning. I'm so glad that I added it to my collection. I really love mother of pearl. To me, it's one of the most flattering stones. White mother of pearl has different shades. For example, my bracelet has green, orange, pink, and even some purple. I can see that. It's so gorgeous. I love it so much that I ended up adding more jewelry pieces. I'm planning to add at least 2 more pair of earrings in this stone. I might also add another 10 motif necklace. And by the way guys, I have recently posted my wishlist video, which I will link down for you guys in case you want to check it out. And I will also add the video with my full collection to the description box below, so you can have a look. I would say that Van Cleef and Arpels is my absolute favorite brand. I never get tired of it. I actually feel so happy whenever I wear it. I just love looking at it. I have this bracelet almost for 3 years and it still looks brand new. There is no single sign of wear and tear on it, which is fantastic. And I always stack it. I never worn it on its own. I typically wear it with Cartier Love bracelet or with my Cartier Justin Clue bracelet as well. Or sometimes I even wear 3 of them. I really like this look a lot and I always get so many compliments whenever I wear them like that. I have to say, initially when I just purchased it, I had some issues when trying putting it on, but then I learned to do it and I don't even have to ask anyone to help me. I can just easily put it on even when I'm in a rush, which is great. I literally just put it like this. And then I just go through the hook and it's done. It's so easy. It's gorgeous. And I reduced the length of it by 3 centimeters and it actually was the maximum. I probably could reduce more, but if I can twist the links, like that, it's not a problem. Besides, if in the future I want to connect it with my 10 motif necklace, I would like to have the longer length. It's more flattering, and in the future I can also create different looks with it. If I did not reduce the length, it would be so huge. And by the way, the links were removed from the last motifs, not in the middle. I often get questions if it's okay to expose it to water. Well, I was told that it's best to avoid it. I always try to be careful with it, but sometimes when I wash my hands, which is actually quite often, some water can get on it. It's practically impossible to avoid that. The water is bound to get on it. Especially over these 3 years, I've been wearing it quite often, but nothing happened to it. It still looks brand new. But that said, it's best to avoid the water. And of course, it's very important to not to expose it to hand sanitizers, sunblock, mosquito repellent, and even soap. Because afterwards, there is nothing that you can do to restore it. You can only bring it to Van Cleef and Arpels and ask to replace the motifs. And of course, you will have to pay extra cost for it. In the past, it was about $200 per motif, but I'm not sure what would be the latest price. I have to say I don't wear this bracelet at home because I probably would expose it accidentally to some chemicals, either some hair products or some moisturizers. If you're planning to buy a bracelet that you would like to wear at home 24/7, I would recommend to get a solid gold, not guilloche. Even though guilloche is absolutely beautiful and I really love it, but unfortunately it's easy to scratch it if you would like to wear it 24/7. You have to be careful not to scratch it, but I would get the beaded gold or maybe the bracelet with the diamonds. Of course, the diamonds are super resistant and this bracelet is absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't get caught whenever I put on my clothes. The only thing that probably could get caught is the clasp. You know, you have to be a bit more careful with it. I get questions whether it's easy to scratch it. I would say that over these 3 years, I don't have any single scratch on it. And what I love about this bracelet is the fact that the edges of the bracelet are a bit higher than the mother of pearl, so it's actually not very easy to scratch it, which is a great thing. So you can actually stack different bracelets together, but you have to be careful of the clasp because clasp can actually scratch your other bracelet, the side of it especially. This bracelet actually comes in 2 boxes. One is the white one and the second one is this one. But I don't prefer to keep it like that. I typically keep my bracelet in this pouch. It's so easy to reach for it. I often get questions how I clean this one. When I purchased it, I was given a piece of fabric, and I just wipe all the motifs. The fabric is so useful, it helps to remove all the dust. Or I can bring it to Van Cleef and Arpels and ask them to help me to clean it. I often get this question, what would be the first jewelry item to buy from Van Cleef and Arpels? And it's a great question because I love so many items from there. But I have to say the bracelet would be probably the best choice because it's so beautiful and you will wear it quite often and you will look at it as well. Whenever I buy earrings, I don't always get to look at it unless I look in the mirror. But with the bracelet, it is definitely different. If you're planning to buy it, I would always recommend to come to the store, try it on and see how you feel wearing it. I personally love it and I find it very comfortable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!